Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for your queen.
Oi, oi, Savalois, that's right, it's me, Tayce. I'm here with Beauty Bay today shooting a gorgeous Pride campaign.
How will you be celebrating Pride this year?
Having a great time with my friends, making sure we're all together and safe. Like, Pride is, I think, to have this one holiday when a lot of people can be out and just be them absolute selves and celebrate who they are and where they want to be and where they want to go. It's amazing, so I'm just going to live it up to the full, really. It's Pride, bitch!
So, what does Pride mean to you?
Pride to me means getting up, having a glass, shaking your ass, getting out there, loving your neighbours, your cat, your dog, Pegasus, me, and not giving a crap. Being your true self, letting your freak flags fly, being loud and proud, and hey, just not giving up. You know what I mean?
If you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would it be?
I would say to be the most confident version of you that you can in the face of adversity. I mean, I would have the odd person drive past me, call me a faggot, call me this, call me that, call me the N-word, all sorts of things I've had since I was a kid, but I mean, it's never really fazed me. It's just water off a duck's back for me. But I know there was a little part of me of a kid that would have gone insular and inside my shell a little bit after that was said. So I would give that same confidence and instill it in the bad bitch Tayce when he was about 10.
Little Tayce.
Little Tayce.
Tiny little
Little
Tayce.
T, yeah, yeah.
that's
what's the lowercase Tayce? Lowercase Tayce, this is all caps Tayce.
Who is your beauty icon?
Naomi Campbell.
Straight out.
No
you know the
question.
answer.
Naomi Campbell. She's the one. She's the only one.
Always will be. What's your ultimate beauty tip?
Oi, oi, Savaloy.
Find your favourite primers and mix them together, because it will change the game. I believe that beauty starts with the foundation. You know, you can't build a crappy house on some sand. You know what I mean? The face has got to be right. It's got to be set. It's got to be there. So you get your best primers, whack them together, make your own concoction, and you'll be gold.
Perfect. That's everything from us, but thank you so much.
Thank you.